Another wonder by the Perth Mint, I have to say. Fantastic. Hello everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, you can see there we have a 1 ounce proof coin set, but it's not just any 1 ounce proof coin set. It is 4 1 ounce silver coins, and they are a quadrant set. Just fantastic. So let's get into this massive box today. Some of you may have already seen these quadrant coins from the Perth Mint. It's a fantastic idea for a coin set, and really nice when you're looking at these lunar series. Just fantastic. Obviously, this is our certificate of authenticity. It is, of course, a big certificate there. You can see all of our specifications, and one of the most important things is the mintage. 1,500 of these sets is available, and inside we have information about the coin set itself and specifically the different dragons that we are about to see on each one of these coins. Comes in our lovely Perth Mint packaging there. We have that nice little felt piece to protect the coin, and here it is. Straight off the bat, you can see, of course, it's massive. 4 ounces of silver all together there, and it comes in a very special capsule that houses all of these coins together and, of course, protects them. Just refocus there. Lovely. Now you can see, of course, all of these designs are so strong on their own, but it's fantastic how they all come together on this one piece. So you've got the individual designs and then, of course, one solid quadrant coin. Now, when I say individual, of course, these are each individual 1 ounce silver coins. You've got the face value of $1 there, and it is struck for the country of Tuvalu. Each one, as you can see, has the Perth Mint privy mark on the coin, and out of the capsule, folks. I mean, that just looks wonderful. Look at that craftsmanship. Really beautiful. All of the movement in each one of these individual designs is just fantastic, and the use of color and texture in this design, it's just beautiful. It really is. Now I'm going to try my best to take them out here all together, very gently, of course. Once again, there we have each individual coin, all struck for 2024, all struck for the country of Tuvalu, and all of them with that face value of $1. Now we've done that successfully, and just look at them all together there, moving them ever so gently. Just fantastic. Now, of course, we do have 4 different dragons here that we're going to take a look at right now. This one here on the left hand side, that is the white dragon, and that represents West and Autumn. Next we have the black dragon. This is North and Winter. We've got here the right hand dragon. This is East and Spring. And then last but not least, this red dragon, which is South and Summer. And I really just like those 4 different themes all together, how they've been incorporated into this piece, and once again how all of them join to each other. I think that's absolutely fantastic. As you can see, once again, you do have a special capsule here to house all of those pieces together, all of those individual coins, I should say, and together they just make up this completely awesome product. Now, of course, you can find this on our website. That's www.emk.com.